Hey, little birdie. Little bird. Ow! It was very mean of you, you naughty little bird. I'll twist your neck and let it bounce and pop off. What are you doing, pretty bird? Here are your nasty little babies. Your little nasty, gross little babies. Let's see if I can get my camera in there. Ew. It's gross. Oh, there's one egg.
I know.
Poor little egg did not make it. Oh, hi. Hi. Are you posing for the camera? Yeah, you're posing for the camera. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Don't you dare bite my camera. Ow! What? Don't you dare bite my camera.
Oh, those are sweet.
Nanny, you're like the bird lady. Ew.
I'll hit you
Did you
right
just take
now.
a dump? That bird just took a dump.
Where?
Sick. Okay. Bye-bye. No, I want to grow a little mohawk like that. That would be so cool. I'd paint it blue.
I'll paint it green. I'll paint my mohawk green.
Come here, let me grab you. Okay, I'll leave you alone.